Yeah, I mean, the question, just to repeat it, is when you're a smaller company, how do you not get taken advantage of by bigger companies? Vayner was a very small company when I started it, and we worked with the biggest companies in the world right away with a little bit of my reputation. I have a very interesting answer to this. It's twofold. First of all, when you have your own company and you have clients, you're in control of whether you're being taken advantage of or not. If you're a client provider, if you have clients, you're more than welcome to pick up the phone and say, I don't want to work with you anymore, and here's the money back, or I don't want your money anymore. So first of all, every small business just needs to know that that's the great part of having a business. You're also in charge, right? Number two, I would argue for a lot of small businesses, the goal is to be taken advantage of. I think about the first 3 to 4 years of VaynerMedia, very similar to the way Muhammad Ali fought George Foreman in Zaire. I think I rope-a-doped the industry. I think the industry thought they were taking advantage of Vayner, and they were. We were doing so much more work for the money they were paying me versus the companies that were much bigger than us when we started. I also think that's why I let it happen, because that was the value prop that we didn't have reputation. I was a wine shop owner now and social media was not what it is today. When I started Vayner in 2009, most of our clients thought that it was a fad. So I think two things. One, you're in control, and two, it's actually probably the leverage you have. And I think too many small businesses go ideology on this. They become ideological about it, like, oh, I'm getting taken advantage of. You're a big boy, it's your bed, you can sleep in it. Like, I think you need to use it as an offense. I think it is the number one thing that a small, tiny business has over a big business that needs to make more profit, that needs to be publicly traded and hit numbers. I think every small business should try to get taken advantage of. That's how they'll become a big business.